everyone! Welcome back to Data Recovery Advisor. If you've ever sent a message on Snapchat and accidentally deleted it, you know how frustrating that can be. Today, we're diving deep into how you might be able to recover those deleted Snapchat messages. So, if you're wondering how to retrieve them, stick around. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, we should talk about Snapchat's design. Snapchat is built around privacy once you view a message, or after a day, Snapchat usually deletes them. So, when messages disappear, they're typically gone forever. But don't worry, there are a few ways you can try to recover deleted messages, and I'm going to walk you through each of them. Let's go! First up, let's see if Snapchat has stored your messages on their servers. Even if they're deleted from your app, sometimes Snapchat keeps data on their servers for a little while. Here's how you can check. Open your Snapchat app. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap My Data under Account Actions. You'll be asked to log in to your account. After that, you can request your data. Once you submit the request, Snapchat will send you an email with a link to download your data. You'll get a file that you can open on your computer. Check inside to see if the deleted messages show up. But remember, there's no guarantee they will. Now, let's be real. Snapchat doesn't store everything forever. Messages that are deleted from the chat are typically gone for good after a short time. But if you're lucky, this method might help you get them back. Now, what if you've backed up your data before? Here's another tip. Sometimes, if you've used a backup tool or app to save your Snapchat chats, you might be able to restore them. For example, third-party apps like Google Drive or iCloud might have some chat data saved if you've set up backups in the past. Make sure to check if you've connected your Snapchat account to any cloud backups. If so, you might have a chance to retrieve the messages. Okay, so what if neither of those methods works? Well, the next step is to reach out to the person you were chatting with. If they haven't deleted the conversation on their side, there's a chance they still have access to the messages, and you can ask them to send you a screenshot or the chat history. It's not ideal, but it's an option. If you're still unable to recover your messages, there are third-party recovery tools that claim to retrieve deleted Snapchat data. These programs work by scanning your device for any remnants of deleted files. One such tool is Easus Mobi Saver, which may be able to recover deleted Snapchat messages, including videos, images, and texts. Speaking of photos and videos, watch my video on how to recover deleted photos and videos on Snapchat by clicking on the I button at the top right corner. Alright guys, those are the main ways you can try to recover your deleted Snapchat messages. Remember, there's no guarantee they'll come back, but hopefully, one of these methods helps you out. If you've tried any of these methods or have any tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you next time.